Thank you for purchasing MRCEM Primary course. In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate through our website and use our course. First thing is you need to open a browser. The preferred browser is Google Chrome. So I'll be clicking or opening the Google Chrome. Once I open the Google Chrome, I'll be going to my website. So in the address bar, type the website name, that is Dr. AAMRCM courses, as you can see on the screen, then press enter. Once you press enter, you'll be going to a home page. In the home page, there is something known as My Account. So click the My Account icon, which is present here. Once you click the My Account, this page appears where you need to type your username or email address. The preferred one is type the email address followed by the password. Once you have typed the email address and type the password, click login. Once you click login, it will enter into your course. So once it enters in your course, it shows the courses you are enrolled for. There are plenty of courses which has been shown here in the screen, but as you are only enrolled for MRCM Primary October 2025, it will be just showing this one. Once you click MRCM Primary October 2025, it will take you to this page. In this page, you can see the course contents have been clearly mentioned. First one is the anatomy, after that physiology, followed by pharmacology, microbiology, pathology, and evidence-based medicine. So it is organized in a sequential manner. The first thing what I want you guys to do is click this join Telegram discussion group. This is a group which is designed so that you can discuss with your fellow colleagues if you have any doubts. Before clicking this group link button, make sure you have downloaded the Telegram app and you are logged in into the Telegram app using the same number which you are used in the website to register yourself. After you have downloaded the app and you're logged in into your app, then click this group link. Once you click this group link, it will send us the request. At least give us 24 hours to accept your request. We cannot immediately accept your request, so it takes at least approximately 24 hours. Within 24 hours, we'll accept it. Next thing what you want us to do is, what I want you to do is, to this number on Telegram, please message your name and registered phone number. And the number you are messaging from, keep it unhide. Do not hide your number so that we can know you are the right person who is messaging to us, and we can cross verify and we can add you to the group. You can see we'll be entering into the central nervous system now. So I'll be just clicking the central nervous system. Once you click the central nervous system, the first thing what we'll be seeing is download button. This download button is to download the blueprint. Blueprint is nothing but it's the same information what is present on the slide, but plenty of gaps will be present there. Plenty of empty spaces will be present there, where we want you to download this, fill up these empty spaces when you're watching the video so that you can have your own notes at the end of the course. You can easily revise through your own notes. Below is the video. It's a completely recorded course what you are joined for. So the recorded videos will be provided in a sequential manner. First thing what we uploaded is the central nervous system, which is already available. So just play button, it will start playing. For the full screen, you need to press this button what is there for the full screen. In the full screen, you can see there is an button here. If you press there are chapters. You can jump from one chapter to another chapter. For example, cortical area. If you just click the cortical area, it starts from the cortical area. To exit the full screen, you'll be pressing the escape button. You will exit from the full screen. Timestamp can also be seen just below the video also. Next thing is about the question bank. Question bank is nothing but the quizzes what we are having here. It is divided into two modes. One is the revision mode and the test mode. The modes, how they are different from each other. The questions what are there, they are very similar, or they are the one and the same questions what you find in the revision as well as in the test mode. But the interface is different. For example, in the revision mode, I've just clicked the revision mode. In the revision mode, you just answer. For example, I go to the fifth one, I answer here, then check. When I click check, it will show what I've selected is the wrong one. That's why it is in red. The correct one was temporal lobe, and a brief explanation would have been given here. Then you go for the next question, select an option, then again you press check, then it will show what I've selected is the correct one. Why is the correct one? A brief explanation will be given here. That's how our revision mode works. What about the test mode? So I'll be clicking the test mode here. Once I click the test mode, So restart or continue quiz because I've already done once. So I restart and continue quiz. So the first question what I'm having, I'll select here. Then I go to the next one. It will not immediately show me the answer. It will show the answers at the end of the quiz itself. So when you end it, then only it will show it. Next thing what you need to remember here is there is a time. So it has been given, for example, there are 28 questions. So 28 questions, how much time is required? That much time would have been given here. So it will be according to that, it will be going on. So it is something which stimulates similar to the exam. So if you're struggling with the time mode, this is the test mode, what you're supposed to do it so that you can learn how to manage the time. So if you want to end it, you can just go to the quiz summary, finish quiz. You can click finish quiz here. Once you click the finish quiz, then you can view questions. If you click the view questions, it will show all the questions what you have selected. First one, I got it right. So it's the explanation. I have not selected third one. I have not selected the fourth one. So it's just showing the correct ones and what is the explanation for the same. That's how the test mode works.